Hey kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's start. Green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, red color, violet color, black color, pink color, light pink color and blue color. Pink color, this is letter A. Yellow color, letter B. This is letter C. It's now we are tracing letter D. Red color, this is letter E. Orange color, letter F. G, H, black color, I, pink color, J, K, L, violet color, M, green color, N, O, P, sky blue color, Q, brown color, R. Kids, this is letter S. Now we are tracing letter T. T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.